Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer ChargePoint station authorization for tenants, detailed guide step by step clearly. To transfer ChargePoint station authorization for tenants, first, log into your ChargePoint account. Navigate to the Station Management section. Select the specific station you wish to transfer. Click on the Manage Access option. Choose Transfer Authorization from the drop-down menu. Enter the email address of the tenant to whom you wish to transfer authorization. Confirm that the email entered is correct to avoid any miscommunication. Review any additional permissions or settings you want to apply to the tenant's access. Click on the Transfer button to initiate the authorization process. A confirmation message will appear, indicating that the transfer has been initiated. Inform your tenant that they will receive an email to accept the authorization transfer. Encourage them to check their spam or junk folder if they do not see it in their inbox. Once the tenant accepts the transfer, their access to the ChargePoint station will be activated. You can verify the transfer by returning to the Manage Access section. Check that the tenant's email is listed as an authorized user for the station. If needed, you can edit or revoke access at any time in this section. This process ensures a seamless transition for tenant access to ChargePoint stations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.